Okay, I got this from United Kingdom, and let me tell you, we have a lot for fix and repair. Now, let me tell you this. It might take some time. Remember, I am very busy and doing a lot of fix and repair about the steam alone engines. I see that there are three here, one, two, and three. They might take me a lot of time. I don't know what's the damage on that one, on those, and I'll see what I can do. Um, Obviously, if someone, so there is a problem with the driving axle. That's no big deal. If someone is about to send me something, you need to contact me first. Send me an email, and when you send the package, you need to send the email on the. This one does have a broken lever. Okay. You need to send me your email so I can send you an invoice with a PayPal. All right. So I'm gonna try. As always, I do have the lever for these models. I think that's not even making contact. That's the reason, but no problem. I can fix that one. That's a Thomas. Oh man, it's broken. So I have no chassis for this model, so I'm just gonna fix the best I can for all these models. This one is good. What's going on with this? Maybe it needs deep cleaning, but it looks good. Some touch up here. Maybe I can replace the coupler. I don't know if you want the coupler the way it is. And this one, my friends, it is the problem that I'm saying. This takes time to replace these battery terminals. I can use a spring battery terminal on that one. This one as well. Yeah, this one needs to be replaced. That one is broken. But I can do that. Obviously, it will take me a lot of time. Plarail, Henry, Tommy, Molly, and Spencer. So the steam alone are the ones. Neither myself, I don't fix those a lot because they take time. But definitely I will check this out. So Henry Plarail looks very clean. I mean, outside it's good condition. I gotta check the email because I don't know what's going on with this. Maybe they just need a little of cleaning, but this one is good. A lot of the dusty, but I can check everything on this one is working. I don't think there is nothing to do with this Pla-rail Henry. Now about Spencer, what about with Spencer? Let me see. These are not really complex to fix. Now it does not have the ring that holds the washer, little plastic washer. Okay, this one is noisy, loud motor, so I just gotta replace that. I think the most complex fix and repair parts are going to be the steam alone engines. I'm gonna check in a minute those steam alone engines. Molly is missing. I don't know what's that. Oh man, it's broken. Look at that. It's because it was forced with this coupler. Anyways, I'm gonna leave the screw in there. But yes, I'll make sure all these engines, like I say, it's going to take me extra time. I will not be able to make it. It's one noisy also. decals are very good, not bad, not bad. Yes, I can find some spare wheels that can be. It doesn't say about this. I guess the main page. Okay, Trackmaster Henry, Trackmaster Gordon. It doesn't say. I didn't read the entire letter. I just put it in front of the camera to show the part of it. Now, how about this voice here? This one, I don't know if it's rewired, the original rewires or no. Did they need a deep clean? I see the codes have a lot of dirt. Yeah, that's the reason it's kind of slow. And the problem with the code, that skipping step is not. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna able to find that code, the specific code that is broke, because these models are about $30 to $40, and if you need to get from another old model the spare part, you're talking about the rest of the engine. It will be discharged. But I'll see. I cannot promise you, but I'll see if I can do some research. Maybe we can find a solution. That specific code cannot be found. It's because it's some sort of how can I say this? Code with extension thing. Oh man, there is a lot of hair built up inside. This one is good. I think he sent me a lot of emails before. It's kind of slow, also caused by the it's catching up some speed, but it's due to all the dirt. There's a lot of hair built up inside, carpet hair. Yeah, these are good. Most of these are easy fix. Now I gotta check these steam along engines. This is the number 3. I don't know if it's easy rewiring, and if the battery covers are okay, then it will not be hard to fix. Let me tell you, this wheel, this has been, someone tried to fix it. I guess the owner tried to fix it because it's in the opposite direction. It should be facing the other way. Okay, but anyways, I did not show your name. I covered your name, so don't worry about it. It's okay. Okay, let's try. Let's see what's going on with this steam alone engine. That's good. So this is going to be easy fix. It just needs rewiring. I hope there is no problems inside this. Most of the time they are not. They don't cause any problem. But it just needs a motor core and rewiring to the steam engine, to the front engine, and it's good. This one will not be hard to fix, but it's going to take me some time. It will take me time. Now, again, I'm going to say it again. I actually need some rubber rings, rubber tires. I know you want to get these engines back, but as you can see on my previous videos, I've been fixing a lot, receiving a lot of engines that I'm trying to fix. I still have like I think 7 more boxes to check. and it will, yeah, another new set of tires. I need to check all those boxes, and I'm fixing all those engines, trying to fix all whatever I can. Battery terminals are, this one is bad, and these are very hard to find. And the problem to this battery terminal on this end is easy to fix. The problem is on the other end. I don't know if I will be able to find a spare part, but I hope at least the top is okay. Oh man, I hope there's no heavy damage. So this one probably is going to give me a hard time. It's because of this battery terminal right here, this battery terminal. Yes, it was in the on position. Ah man. So I'm just checking and evaluation, doing evaluation on. I'm testing with these edges, see what can be easy fix or no. Yeah, another that someone, I mean the owner tried to fix it because this is the opposite direction, should be facing outside. But no, it's not working. I cannot promise you that it will be done. Hold on, quickly. But I'm trying to see. So expect like about 10 to 15 days to get until this fixed. Yeah, I have a lot of engines on queue. You know, no, this one definitely is that solder. You know what? I'm curious. I see there is a burn. There is a burn mark on this motor. That means the solder iron went through the engine inside and burn that part. Oh, yeah, I see. That's the reason it doesn't work. This wire needs to be replaced. Actually, I need to replace all those wires. See that greenish thing on the switch, and I need to replace that switch. That switch needs to be replaced. I need to order those kind of switch. I have other switches. Yeah, I went to check if I could find the other switches, but they are smaller. Those switches are for the torque and action. I mean, for the torquing engines, but not for this. These ones come with some tabs. The others don't have those tabs. And another thing that might take me some time also is I need to order this little piece here and these ones. I need to find them. They basically are all the time they are broken. They are not good anymore. So I need to start doing some research. And like I say, there are so many factors that will slow down the process of fixing repair, but I tried to get them done in about, I don't know about this one. Did I check this one before? Yes. Yeah. Or I'm gonna send you a message. Maybe we can fix two and get the parts from the other one, because some of these are really bad.